Have you ever wondered how some creators seem to be everywhere at once? One moment, they're starring in a movie scene that looks straight out of Hollywood. The next, they're on a magazine cover, dancing on TikTok, or even appearing in an old black and white historical photograph. And somehow, they manage to pull it all off without film crews, without fancy studios, and without spending a single dollar on professional photographers. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Because the answer isn't a massive production team, it's AI. Specifically, a revolutionary new platform called Higgsfield Face Swap, the tool that lets anyone, from complete beginners to seasoned creators, clone their face into any image or video in seconds. No complex software, no training data, no editing layers. Just upload one photo, click a button, and watch AI do its magic. This is not just another AI gimmick, this is a total game changer. When I first stumbled across Higgsfield, I didn't really get it. I thought it was just another funny face filter like you'd see on Snapchat. But then I dug deeper, and what I discovered blew my mind. There are people out there, freelancers, small creators, even everyday users, who are making $50, $100, $25, even $300 per project, offering simple AI face swap services. And get this, these projects take them less than 15 minutes to complete for what used to take hours, or even days, with Photoshop. Think about that. What used to require a skilled designer, a high-end graphics card, and years of experience can now be done with one upload and a single click. That's how powerful this technology has become, and the best part? You don't need to know a single thing about design, photography, or editing. This is the future of content creation, and no other platform, not Photoshop, not Midjourney, not DALL-E, can do what Higgsfield does right now. So in this full-length tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We'll go step by step through the entire process, from signing up to generating stunning visuals to monetizing your results as a real digital income stream. One face, endless possibilities. Are you ready to change the game? Here's what we'll cover in today's tutorial. First, I'll walk you through how to create your free account and start generating results instantly. Then, I'll guide you through a complete demo where we'll create multiple face swaps live, and you'll see exactly how fast and realistic this technology truly is. Next, we'll break down how creators are already using Higgsfield to earn money online and how you can do the same. After that, we'll explore creative use cases, from movie scenes, TikTok shots, memes, and vintage photography, all the way to commercial uses like brand visuals and social media campaigns. And finally, we'll talk about turning this skill into a business. Whether you're freelancing on Fiverr, building your personal brand, or creating passive income streams, Higgsfield provides a variety of AI tools to skyrocket your online faceless business. From image to video generation, character swap, and even advanced online content editing and more. Honestly, it's an all-in-one platform for AI lovers. As you can see, Higgsfield's dashboard is clean, minimal, and extremely user-friendly, designed for anyone to jump right in. To start face swapping, click on the image feature, scroll all the way down, and select Face Swap. You'll land on a new interface with the following options. Your photo. This is where you upload your face photo. Target image. This is the image you want your face to appear in. Generate. This is where your finished face swap appears. That's it. No complicated sliders, no hidden settings, no endless menus. The simplicity is what makes it so powerful. With Higgsfield, you have the ability to upload an image as a reference instead of our regular text prompts, and you also get several models to choose from, including a variety of screen sizes. This provides extra flexibility and control as far as our favorite social media platforms are concerned. This lets you decide which platform your contents are for. Sounds amazing, right? Let's start by uploading a clear, well-lit photo. Note, natural lighting works best. Something with a neutral expression, or a gentle smile if you prefer. Once you've uploaded your image, Higgsfield's artificial intelligence quickly scans through our image, gathers necessary information, and then processes it instantly. Next, choose your target image. It could be anything: a movie poster, a celebrity photo, a TikTok screenshot, a meme, or even a historical photo. Then, click the box beneath your uploaded photo and pick the model that best fits your project. In my case, I will select Higgsfield Face Swap as our target for this video. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to get an ultra high quality landscape YouTube ready photo, or feel free to select any other screen size. Then, just click the generate button. In seconds, you'll see the result appear. Your face seamlessly integrated into the target image. And here's the crazy part. It doesn't just stick your face on top like a sticker. Higgsfield uses AI to match skin tone, lighting, facial expression, and even shadows. The result is unbelievably realistic. No manual blending, no retouching, no color correction. Compare that with Photoshop, where you'd need multiple layers, masks, color adjustments, and probably an hour of tedious work. With Higgsfield, it's literally one click. That's the power of automation. Now that you've seen how simple the process is, let's explore how far you can go with it. Higgsfield isn't just a toy, it's a full creative studio powered by AI. Let's run through some examples. Imagine placing yourself in a classic fantasy or adventure kind of film. Dark forest, scary buildings, dramatic lighting. Upload your photo, choose a still from Merlin, click swap, and suddenly, it looks like you were actually in the movie. Or try a high-fashion magazine cover. Your face replaces the models seamlessly, keeping the makeup, lighting, and background intact. Instantly, you've got a professional-grade cover look, perfect for branding or portfolio content. Or how about a 1960s vintage mugshot? Higgsfield perfectly recreates the retro film texture and monochrome tones, making it look like an authentic throwback. Want something more fun? Try memes or viral content. Swap your face into a Kevin Hart expression or a trending meme template. You'll have personalized meme content in seconds. And if you're into video or lifestyle content, upload your photo into a TikTok-style frame. Boom! Instant influencer vibe without leaving your room. The possibilities are literally endless. You can create cinematic scenes, digital art, album covers, or even mock film posters, all in one tool. And this is where the Insta-Dump feature comes into play. This hidden gem is Higgsfield's secret weapon for creators. With Insta-Dump, you can generate 15 different variations of your uploaded face in one go, each with different backgrounds, moods, expressions, and lighting setups. It's like cloning yourself into a full photo shoot instantly. Imagine having 15 custom images to post, all consistent with your face and brand, in under a minute. That's the kind of efficiency that sets professionals apart. Now, let's talk about the part that really matters, turning this into money. Because if you're watching this, you're not just curious about AI, you're serious about building something with it. Here's the truth. AI tools are only as valuable as the person using them. And right now, Higgsfield is one of those rare tools where the demand is way ahead of the competition. On Fiverr, Upwork, and similar platforms, face swap services are blowing up. People pay anywhere from $30 to $300 per order, depending on how creative or professional the final result is. Think of all the niches you could serve. Influencers who want creative, scroll-stopping visuals, musicians who need unique cover art or promo shots, brands that want custom, AI-generated marketing content, fans who want themselves in a movie poster or celebrity photo. You can literally start a gig titled, "I'll put your face into any movie scene or photo in minutes." And the best part? You don't need expensive equipment, design experience, or a team. All you need is your laptop and Higgsfield. Here's a quick example workflow. A client sends you a headshot. You upload it to Higgsfield, pick a scene, adjust a few settings, click Generate, and deliver it within minutes. Add your branding watermark, charge $50 to $100, and you're done. Even if you completed just 5 small orders a day, you'd be making $250 to $500 per day. That's over $7,000 a month using nothing but AI automation. And that's just the start. You can go even further by creating pre-made packs of AI personas like different characters, expressions, or outfits, and sell them as bundles. Or start a YouTube channel where you appear as multiple characters using Higgsfield swaps. You could literally play every role in your videos. If you combine this with tools like Canva, CapCut, or Runway, you can create an entire AI-powered content studio from your laptop. No cameras, no crew, no limit. This is what I mean when I say stacking AI tools. Each one multiplies the power of the other, allowing you to scale faster and smarter. Now, let's shift gears and talk about long-term impact, because AI tools come and go, but your brand, your unique style, personality, and message is what lasts. Higgsfield gives you the ability to build that brand at lightning speed. You can design your own promo visuals, brand characters, thumbnails, and social content, all while keeping a consistent look. For example, imagine your profile picture, YouTube thumbnails, website banners, and TikTok intros, all using the same face swap identity, stylized for each niche. That's brand consistency, and it builds recognition faster than anything else. And here's something even more powerful. You can use Higgsfield to experiment with different aesthetic identities. Try cinematic looks, vintage styles, fantasy portraits, or modern editorial photos, all without hiring a team or photographer. Your content will instantly look premium, and that's what attracts attention in today's algorithm-driven world. By now, you've seen how one simple photo can unlock an entire creative ecosystem. You've learned how to create, customize, and even monetize your content with nothing but your imagination and a few clicks. Feel free to check out Highfield's pricing tiers to get even better models for your next gen. Pricing plans start as low as $9 per month, and you get access to high-quality models that let you create images, videos, ultra-realistic AI influencers, and more. Higgsfield Face Swap isn't just another AI tool, it's a gateway to a new kind of content creation. It's fast, fun, and limitless. So if this tutorial opened your eyes, don't just watch, take action. Try it yourself. Build something today. Because the creators who learn to work with AI, not against it, will lead the next generation of digital storytelling. Your next 30 pieces of content, one face, one click, infinite possibilities. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. If this video gave you ideas or inspiration, hit the like button. If not, rewind and soak it in, because every word here can be the start of a new digital income for you. And make sure you subscribe, because next week, we're diving into the top most outperforming AI platforms for creators that can help you automate, scale, and dominate your niche. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep building. Peace.